Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude to Instagram. First, open the browser, go to the Windsor AI website, and create a new account. Once you are logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Instagram Public. Next, click the Grant Instagram Public Access button. You will be asked to sign in with either your Facebook account or your Instagram account, depending on how your Instagram profile is connected. Complete the login process and approve all requested permissions. After you grant access, your Instagram account will be connected to Windsor AI. Now open the Claude desktop application. On the left side, click Customize, then select Connectors. Click the plus icon and choose Browse Connectors. In the search box, type Windsor. When Windsor appears in the search results, click on it to open its connector page. On the Windsor connector page, click the Connect button in the top right corner. Claude will open a new browser tab and ask you to sign in to Claude if you are not already logged in. Next, log in with the same Windsor account that you connected to Instagram earlier. Once access is granted, Claude and Windsor AI will be linked together. That's it. Your Instagram account is now connected to Windsor AI, and Windsor AI is connected to Claude. You can now use Claude to interact with your Instagram data through the Windsor connector and run commands directly from Claude. Thanks for watching.